Greetings everybody, this is Dave Matusik from MacDac Engineering, and I have another tech tip for you. I'm cutting this part here, and right in here we have a nice sharp internal corner radius. And what my tool's doing, as you can see here, is coming straight into this corner and straight out. So it's a very tight transition, and also as a result of that, when the tool is in the corner, look at all the material it's engaging in that corner. Not an ideal cutting situation. So what I want to do is tell it to put a little radius in that corner. So I'm going to come in here, and under my contour toolpath, there's a button called Internal Corner Rounding Radius. And I'm just going to give that a small value, like say 15 thousandths. And I'll regenerate this, and let's watch our backplot here. Now when the tool comes in, it cuts a small radius. As you see, it stops here, cuts that 15th thou radius, and comes out. So as a result, I have a nice smooth transition in that corner. The tool's not buried. Now here is another potential area. I have this corner here. And right now the tool's rolling around that corner. And that's roll cutter around corners is set to sharp. I talked about that in another video. But I want to put a little bit of a radius on that corner, maybe to break the edge or take a burr off. So what I'm going to do is go into my parameters and change this external corner rounding break radius to a different number. Now I'm going to make it a big number. I'm going to make it like 30 thousandths so that we can see what it does. But in real life you might keep that small if you're just trying to break a burr. So I don't know if you can see that radius and that transition got a little bigger, but what I'll do is I'll actually verify it so you can see that. And you can see how it's forming that radius there on that end, and it's rolling over that end to form that 30 thou radius. So that's two good ways to control your tool in an internal corner and an external corner. Stay tuned for next week's video, and I'll be sure to show you something else new and exciting.